Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the wireless meat thermometer by MEATER. It's an awesome tool to help you get the right temperature of your steaks each and every time. Now let's take a look at the box. It comes with a brief set of instructions, easy to follow. It's got a downloadable app. It has charging contact at the bottom and towards the center of the box. Now as you can see by the attention tag on there, so that technically as long as you insert the probe past that scoring mark into the cooking meat, you should get accurate temperatures. Now as you can tell by the design, it's very simple. At the point you have the internal thermometer, you have the scoring mark which tells you how far to push the probe into the cooking meat. At the black point you have the ambient sensor which lets you monitor the actual temperature in the oven or the grill, and at the bottom at the end that's the charging contact, so that's the part you have to be sure to clean so that it gets a proper contact each and every time you put it back in the case. As you can tell, it's got the charging contact towards the center and at the bottom. So you have to make sure the probe is cleaned each and every time so that there's no corrosion, there's no buildup there to keep it from charging properly. Now on the back of the charging case, it's pretty cool design. It has two magnets on the side, so it'll let you attach the case to the oven, to the grill, any metallic surface, which makes keeping track of the thing pretty easy. The back lid is magnetic as well to allow for easy battery replacement. It has a button on the front to allow you to do a battery check to make sure it'll charge your probe properly. Pretty simple design. As soon as you remove the probe from the charging case, you pair it to your phone. As soon as you put the probe back into the case, it starts charging automatic. Now I did compare the probe with another thermometer in hot water, and as you can see, the degree was only off by 0.5. Now based on the website video, it'll have you believe you can cook perfect steaks in 3 easy steps. So I figured what better way to test a thermometer than follow the instructions on the website to a T and see what the results were. Per the website, the range should be about 10 feet when using an oven and about 33 feet when using a grill. Why the huge difference? I'm assuming it has to do with the enclosure, the oven, the obstruction between the probe and your phone. I noticed it says up to 10 feet. In an oven, I cooked this steak in an oven and I got 5 feet before it would disconnect, and I had to get closer to the oven to have my phone connect again. I then connected to their cloud app and I was able to walk around freely. Now there's a score mark, and I'm going to insert the probe past that point to ensure proper cooking temps are monitored. Setting up the cook was pretty much a series of screens. Pick your settings, pick your temperature, and you're all set. Now the nice thing is it does have a variety of meats to choose from. It does show you very detailed the temperature, the internal, the target, and the ambient, and it will guide you through to the point of when to take out your steak, knowing that the internal temperature will rise even during the resting state. Now I set it for 130, but I did let it sit in the oven a little too long, and I got the actual overall internal temperature of 134, 135, which is still to my liking. Now the app will even tell you to let it rest, and it'll tell you the time when it's ready to cut into. So here's cross my fingers. I gave it about 5 minutes rest. So let's take a look at the temperature and see if this app and this actual thermometer did exactly what the website said it would do. Here comes the moment of truth. I'm going to cut it through the center and let's take a look at that temp. The temperature looks great. It looks juicy. As you can tell by the actual thermometer hole, I was actually off center and the cook still came out great. I like my steak medium, medium rare, and as you can tell by the video, it was pretty much on point. Hopefully the video was helpful. I know it's cheating when it comes to cooking and grilling, but if you're like me, I need all the help I can get. I'm terrible with steak temperatures, but this device makes it super easy to get the perfect temperature steak each and every time. It does come with a 1-year warranty. I definitely recommend it. So guys, if you have any questions, comments, if you have it, if you have a different one that you think does a better job, let me know. If this steak is not to your liking, let me know how you cook yours. Alright, thanks a lot guys. See you in the next one.